Hey guys, and welcome back to another 5-minute guitar lesson. So today we are going to be talking about reading tablature. On the screen, some tablature, which is a specific notation used for guitar. So I'm going to explain how we would read this. Now if you notice, as it appears on the tablature, we have 6 lines. Now each line will represent a string. The top line of the tablature represents our little E string. The line underneath that represents our B string. The line underneath that represents our G string. Underneath that is D. And underneath that is A. And last, all the way at the bottom, we have big E. So tablature is written by pitch, so we have high to low. So it might seem to be upside down, but it's the same way we would read music. What do these lines do? Well, they tell us what string we're supposed to be playing, and yeah, that's pretty much the basics of it, but we need a little bit more information. So if you notice on this new example, we have some numbers. So all the numbers are 0, and 0 represents a string open. That means we're not playing any frets. So a 0 on the top string means little E open, just like I played a second ago. A 0 on the B string would mean playing the B string open, no frets, no left hand. Then we have a 0 on the G. A 0 on the D. 0 on A, and 0 on big E. So zeros just mean open strings. Now if I saw ones there instead, like the example popping up now, I just play the first fret of everything. First fret little e, first fret B, first fret G, first fret D, first fret A, first fret big E. Now if I saw, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 all on the same line, and it would be little e, I would go 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple. If I see a 12, I would scoot all the way up on the guitar and play a 12 on little e. And they can jump around. They don't have to be very close to each other. You can go from a 4 to a 12. To a different string from 4 and 12. So 4 on little e to 12 on A. That is the basics of reading guitar tablature. There are some other symbols and things that you might see. These are really subjective though. It depends on where you go to look up your tabs. Some people will use different symbols than others. There's no like strict, this is how it is kind of way of writing tablature because it's unique to almost every writer. But the general rules that I just showed you in this lesson are going to follow across all tabs. And usually people, when they write out tabs for guitar, will give you a legend of all their symbols and what they mean. So as you learn techniques, you can go ahead and look at that legend and figure out what techniques these symbols are meaning, and then learn those techniques for the song. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, the other button works as well. And don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and comment down below if you didn't like the video so I know how to make it better in the future.